In this video, I will show you how to edit homepage in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Storefront, and from the drop-down menu, select Themes. On the Themes page, locate your active theme and click Customize. This will open the theme editor, where you can make live changes to your storefront. Within the theme editor, you can rearrange sections or drag and drop content blocks to add new elements. You can edit text, add or replace images, showcase featured products, or even embed videos and carousels to make your homepage more engaging. You can also tweak banners, promotional sections, and call-to-action buttons directly in this editor. All changes are reflected in real time, allowing you to see exactly how your homepage will look to your visitors. Once you're happy with your edits, click Save at the top right corner. To preview your changes, click Preview to see how your homepage appears on desktop and mobile screens. And that's how to edit homepage in BigCommerce.